Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 17 of our physics course, Electronics, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with physics. Let's dive into Chapter 17, Electronics, an essential aspect of physics. In this overview, we dive into intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors, P and N type semiconductors, concept of holes and electrons, electron and hole flow across a junction, PN junction and biasing, rectification and diodes, PNP and NPN transistors, operations of transistors, transistor current equation, transistors as switches and amplifiers. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. Students will distinguish between intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. This lesson involves understanding the difference between semiconductors in their pure form and when doped with specific impurities. In next lesson, students will distinguish between P and N-type semiconductors. They will understand how the addition of specific impurities influences the charge carriers in semiconductors. In next lesson, students will explain the concept of holes and electrons in semiconductors. This involves understanding the movement of charge carriers in semiconductors and the role of impurities in creating these carriers. In next lesson, students will explain how electrons and holes flow across a junction. This involves understanding the behavior of charge carriers at the interface of P and N-type semiconductors. In next lesson, students will describe a PN junction and discuss its forward and reverse biasing. This lesson involves understanding the electrical behavior of a semiconductor junction under different bias conditions. In next lesson, students will define rectification and describe the use of diodes for half and full wave rectifications. Understanding rectification is crucial for converting alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC, in electronic circuits. In next lesson, students will distinguish between PNP and NPN transistors. This lesson introduces the two types of bipolar junction transistors, BJTs, commonly used in electronic circuits. In next lesson, students will describe the operations of transistors. They will understand how transistors amplify and control electrical signals in electronic devices. In next lesson, students will deduce the current equation for transistors and apply it to solve problems. This lesson involves understanding the mathematical relationships that govern the behavior of transistors. In next lesson, students will explain the use of transistors as switches and amplifiers. Understanding these two fundamental applications of transistors is crucial for their integration into electronic circuits. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 17 and embark on this enriching journey of physics, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.